Hello guys. Here I am with another video. Today I am gonna show you how to make RC car. Before starting this video, please make me to reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. For more DIY project. Let's get into the project. Measurements for RC car. In my case I am using 2x2 metal tube. Guys, if you didn't have experience to use grinding machine, please don't try at home. It may cause severe injury. Take help of elders to make this. After this cutting process, necessary holes were drilled. To weld the frame, I went to welding shop to weld it. If you guys can't do these, use nuts and bolts to make a frame. Here I am using 2-cycle spoke, and I soldered the spoke to window clamps. 2 spoke nuts soldered together to the motor with the help of bolt. Now position the motor in its place. I am using 4x cycle wheels. I used bike chain to fix front wheels. At back wheels use M5X60 nut bolts. Make sure to fix the motor properly. Am using cycle back wheel XL rod to fix back wheels to the motor. Cut XL rod into 2 pieces. Welded the nut to the motor. To tight threaded rod. Tight the wheel with the nut. Use plier to tight the nut. Using plastic housing to place motor driver to prevent short circuit. I did got anything else to do this. So I used nut bolts to place it to the frame. Here I am using car charger circuit to power 5 volts to the receiver. You guys can use any 12 volts to 5 volts buck converter. To better understand circuit diagram, please watch previous videos. Link is in description. Thanks for watching.